Hey, this is John from the Bengston Woodshop. I just want to give you a quick introduction video to show you what this channel is about, see if you'd like to subscribe, and some of the future content that'll be on this channel. About me, I've been doing woodworking now for about a year, not too long, so I'm fairly new, and it all started off with making a few small flags, and then I've kind of progressed into refinishing tables and doing custom inlays, just really kind of honing in my skill because I would eventually like to kind of turn this from being a hobby into a sustainable business after I get out of the military. So saying that, my wife and I, we're actually getting ready to move to Germany right now. So here in the near future, there might be kind of a break in some of the videos as we go through the move. Here in the near future, you should be seeing some videos about like unboxings, such as like buying wood online, what that looks like, who you can buy wood from, different woods that I've never bought before, what it looks like unfinished versus finished, and then some of the applications that you might possibly be able to use those in projects. And then I'm going to be building a desk here very shortly as we're kind of staging our home to sell. One of the things we want to do is finish setting up our office. So I'm just going to build a small desk for that. You'll see a video. Those are not my plans, but those plans will be linked below in that video if you choose to build that same desk. And one of the other things I would like to cover in my videos is tool reviews. So as I purchase new tools or find new tools, I'll be going through the unboxing, how the packaging was, first time uses, and kind of what I think about that tool and whether or not it may or may not have been worth the money. I've bought some tools in the past that I thought were going to be very handy, unboxed them, used them the first time, and I just didn't like the way it either cut or I didn't feel like there was much value added, so it could have been a little bit of a waste on my end because there was probably a different way that I could have gotten the same result for cheaper. If you are curious to see what this channel is about, hit the subscribe button and let me know what you think.